We'll guide you through how to upload audio to Roblox on mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps you've got a sound effect or some other type of sound and audio that you want to go and upload. Once it's uploaded, you can then use it on Roblox. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide is exactly what you need to do in order to go and get it onto the platform. And we'll guide you through how you can go and get the asset and sound ID as well. So you can see we're currently in the Roblox app and it can actually be done in here. So what you need to do is you need to go and head to the bottom right of Roblox. There, you're going to go and find the More button, which you want to go and tap on. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down and you can go and find the option for Create, as you can see. Wait for this to go and load. Now, what you need to do is go to the top left and press the three lines. Come down the list and you want to go and find the option for creations. It's only the second option. And then what you need to do is come to the top and go and scroll along the row and find development items. And you want to go and tap there. Now, what you want to do is go and scroll along and you want to go and find the option for audio. And then you can scroll down and it says upload audio to use in your creations. Then what you can do is go and press upload asset. And you want to go and find the option for upload at the top. Your files are then going to go and open up. And what you can do is go and locate what you want to do this with. When you've found it, what you need to do is go and tap on it like so. And we've now gone and selected it. Make sure it matches one of the formats there, MP3, OGG, FLAC, or WAV. And then what you can do is go and give it a name. So I'm just going to go and rename it like so. And then what you can do is you can go and add the description as well. Obviously that as audio. And then you can go and press upload. Now go and wait for this to complete. When it has, you want to go and drag down to go and refresh. And then you can scroll down and you can go and see it here. You can go and tap on it and you can go and see some different options. To go and get the ID for it, press the three dots to the right and you can press copy asset ID. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.